So over the weekend, I think I may have been bitten by a poisonous spider. I was out walking in some weeds on Saturday morning, and I came back to the house, and on the bottom of my foot I had this sort of red area. You know, it looked a little rashy. It just looked red. It wasn't super itchy. You know, it had a little I don't know, maybe a little almost white bumps, but they weren't like the kind you get with the fire ants. So I don't know. I just thought maybe it was a rash. But over the course of the day, the area developed this huge watery blister, and then the next day another watery blister formed. And I don't know. I looked it up on the internet, and I'm kind of worried that I might have been bitten by a brown recluse spider, which progresses into this really nasty open sore. So I'm going to go to the urgent care and see if they can help me out with this, because I'm scared. This little bubbly looking blister is stage 1 of what the spider bite looks like. And this big one down below is stage 2. It already went through the stage you see above. Okay, we are at the urgent center. Let's see what they have to say about my spider bite. Waited 2 hours to see the doctor, even though there was only one guy ahead of me. She prescribed me some antibiotics and a tetanus shot, and the nurse gave me an anti-inflammatory shot in my butt. So that was great. So now I got to go to the CVS or Walgreens to get a bunch of medicine. She looked at the bite and she goes, "Oh yeah, that's bad." I got my antibiotics, my antibiotic cream, and my tetanus shot all at once. Actually, that tetanus shot, which my insurance didn't cover, by the way, very annoying, that's the fastest medical attention I've ever received in Puerto Rico. It was like, pay for it, go in the room, get your shot, boom, you're done. It was awesome. If only the whole country worked like that. Time to take my pills. So this is day 3 of my heinous spider bite. It looks nasty, but it actually doesn't hurt. There's been very little pain with this thing at all, which is kind of weird. That redness around the foot used to be redder. This is mostly around where I had the Band-Aid applied, and the doctor said, take that off, leave it to the air. So I don't know if it's more red because I had it in a Band-Aid for a day. Don't know. Hopefully it doesn't get much worse. But so far no pain. Just disgusting looking. So this is day 4 of the mystery spider bite. The top blister's gotten a little bit bigger, but the area around it has gotten less red. And it looks disgusting, but it doesn't hurt at all, which is really weird. So hopefully it won't get much worse. So this is day 5 of the spider bite. You can see the top blister popped last night on its own, and it stung for a little while after it popped, but that's really the only time this whole thing is hurt. I mean, as heinous as that lower sore looks, it doesn't hurt at all. This is day 6 of my 2 nasty spider bites. Yesterday, against my doctor's advice, I did get into the ocean because we were on a snorkel cruise to Calabria, and we planned it in advance, and I just staying on the boat, I would have missed out on a lot. So everything had sort of closed up and seemed okay. And kicking around in the water did reopen it a little bit, but I figured it'd be okay because I'm on antibiotics. It was a calculated risk, and I think it's going to be recovering nicely. So, looks really bad, but it doesn't hurt that much because I found out my inflammatories are working really well, because yesterday I forgot to take them at lunch and at dinner, and I woke up in the middle of the night and my foot was really achy. I mean, this whole area along in here was just really achy to the point where I couldn't really sleep with it. So I took a pill, and now it's down to sort of a dull, sort of tender feeling. So hopefully after my morning pill it'll go back to not feeling much of anything. Day 7 of nasty spider bites. Definitely the swelling has gone down of the actual sores. The redness is going away. I don't feel any pain really because of the anti-inflammatories, although this morning I felt a little stiff, but I missed one of them at lunch yesterday because I spent all day at Crowley trying to ship the car, which will be a whole nother video. So yeah, exactly 1 week ago I got bit by something. It was scary. It looks horrible, but thanks to modern medicine, it doesn't hurt and it's getting better. Day 9. Day 10. Doesn't hurt. Day 11. Day 12. Doesn't hurt, looks gross. Day 13. You can see some skin underneath that scab. It's looking good. Day 14, check it out. The big scab down below flaked off yesterday in a series of pieces. So look at that nice skin underneath. Looks like I'm going to make a complete recovery from these 2 nasty spider bites. So why did I record a whole gross video about my spider bite? Am I that much of a narcissist? No, not really. I wanted to share my experience with other people because when I looked up brown recluse spider bite on the internet, I saw a ton of freaking scary pictures of people with, bones showing and blackness and skin dying and gaping holes in their body, and it frankly freaked me out in a good way because it did get me to go to the doctor sooner than I might have otherwise gone. So definitely, if you get a bad spider bite, go see a doctor because they can help. But really I did it to just share my experience with other people and, give a dose of reality, like, okay, you're not necessarily going to lose a limb if you get one of these spider bites. So and I'm allergic to some of these grasses too. At least the bike can get rid of the spider webs for me. The one good thing.